Holy Toledo, guys, we're seeing it right now. Nvidia is on an absolute tear as they absolutely smash earnings and up over $500 right now at all-time highs. We're seeing after hours trading in confidence and buying pressure pushing into Nvidia, up 3% of the day, up nearly 7% in the after hours. It's going to be crazy to see how Nvidia does react here, especially with extreme volatility coming here in the near future. Now, remember, we made a video yesterday talking about would Nvidia be able to keep up with the demand from a supply perspective and meet those Wall Street analysts and those predictions. We'll be going over those in just a second. But basically, Nvidia smashed those. Supply was not an issue for them, obviously, as revenues were crazy high and earnings per share were at nearly $2.70 at earnings per share. And they even announced a buyback program. We're going to be talking about this, especially what could be the future for the AI stock and the other stocks that we've talked about, such as PLTR and C3.ai. So if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe for daily videos, and of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I think everybody knows that. Nobody really here on YouTube is, so do your own research, make your own investment decision. Pop it up on the screen here. You can see Nvidia 471, that's what it closes that market. Right here, Nvidia is at 502 right now, currently up $30.99 in the after hours, up nearly 7%. Now, people wondering how well did Nvidia do after these earnings did come through post-market. Now, after the bell, the company reported a revenue of $13.51 billion. This had expected revenues of $11 billion. So up even higher than what was expected, and people were criticizing this as a high prediction. And this is a 101% jump from last year. While those adjusted earnings, like I said, those came in at $2.70 per share. Compared to last year, analysts basically had that at $2.07 for this quarter. That's up 429%. So we're seeing Nvidia really just smash the Wall Street analyst predictions and continuing to grow and grow and grow, especially with those lofty expectations, like I said, for the amount of revenue that they were expecting Nvidia to report. Now, remember, Nvidia has really taken a deep dive into AI and artificial intelligence and is really capitalizing on their AI chip. This is the H100. And they're basically creating a type of chip that's going to combine like 8 of these suckers into one piece. So they are creating and being a global leader in AI chip development. And great to see that, and especially right here, looking as they blow out those earnings. This is the extreme demand that we're seeing for the highest end chip, like I said, the H100. Now, talking about this, will Nvidia still continue to grow? Of course, that's going to be interesting how that's going to react with the amount of hype that's Nvidia right now, people jumping on the hype train as we see and as we're speaking. Will this continue to grow? Will be an interesting question, and we'll be keeping a close eye on it. But first of all, I'd say congratulations to Nvidia for really outpacing these high predictions that the Wall Street analysts have really put on the company. And it's really amazing to see how powerful Nvidia has done as a company and as a business, really growing in many different metrics. And specifically looking at their actual net income, Nvidia reported a $6.7 billion in net income in the quarter. Now, this is a 422% increase over the same time last year. And saying that right here, I think I was high on the street for next year coming into this report, but my numbers have to go way up. And we've seen this with many banks that are changing their price targets. We talked about this yesterday. If you missed yesterday's video, make sure you check it out. But some of the analysts were changing their price targets to Nvidia to even $600-700, some crazy high metrics. And where Nvidia sits right now is basically at a $1.16 trillion market cap. So being a leader here in the AI marketplace, I think will be really important for some of the smaller stocks that we've been keeping an eye on. Of course, we're going to be keeping you guys updated on Palantir, C3.ai. So make sure you guys are staying tuned, listening to that. But right now, I'd say congratulations to Nvidia, and we'll be keeping a close eye. Will this stock cool down, or will it be able to control these very high prices for the stock? Other than that, take care. Peace out. Let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments? Let's start a discussion. I'd love to talk to you guys. Have a great day.